I mean, the weather in the Philippines is very, very hot today. The weather is not good in my country. It's very hot today. Okay, wait me a minute, ha. I downloaded the audio. I mean the file. I will share it to you now, Messi. Okay. This is cat 3. Where is it? Oh, where was it? Wait, please. Da, 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 da. Okay, this one we are now in cat 3, 3.3 speaking. Okay, so let us talk now. Okay, here. Now, teacher Ann, okay, since we need to practice speaking, so teacher Ann would like to ask some questions. Okay, how often do you eat outside? How often do you eat outside, Messi?
I often eat seafood.
Seafoods. Oh, outside?
Yes.
Okay. Like, what is your favorite food aside from seafood?
In hmm,
What is your favorite food? It is
seafood.
seafood.
Favorite food in seafood.
Okay, it's seafood. Favorite is seafood. Okay. What kind of seafood? Shrimp. Okay, what? Shrimp, crabs. What seafood?
Oyster.
Oyster. Oh, you like oyster?
Yes.
Um, okay, you like oyster a lot. Okay. Now, here. Where do you usually go when you eat outside? What restaurant?
What?
Where do you go when you eat outside?
I eat in a restaurant.
Okay, you eat in the restaurant. What restaurant? Is it far in your place?
Uh, yes. It's far.
Okay. Is it far in your place? Far?
Yes. Maybe.
Oh, maybe it is far. Okay, far. Okay. So here, next one. Who do you usually go when you eat outside? Is it your family or your friend or who?
Mm, it's my family.
Your family. Okay. When you eat outside, what food or what dessert you would like to order? Is it ice cream or what dessert you would like to order?
What?
What dessert like ice cream,
Yes.
salad, or
I
ice
like
cream?
ice cream.
Oh, you like ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, okay. Have you tried food from other countries?
What?
Have you tried to eat food from other countries? Have you tried?
Yes.
Yes, you tried. Okay. Do you like eating at buffet? Like there are a lot of food and you are gonna get what you want. Do you like to eat food at the buffet?
Yes. I like.
Okay. Now let us have it. We have vocabulary words, messy. First, we have appetizer. It's a dish that eaten before the main course. So you have to eat the appetizer so that you will feel good. Okay, so you will gonna eat that one. Next one, course. One part of the meal is the course. Okay, that's one part of the meal. That's your course. Okay. Another one we have cuisine. It's country or region style of cooking. Cuisine, it's country or style of cooking. So what is the cuisine in Vietnam? In my country, there is adobo. Chicken adobo. That's famous in my country. It's chicken adobo. Okay. Another, we have the dessert. It's sweet food eaten at the end of the meal, like ice cream, like salad, okay, like chocolate mousse. Okay, those are the sweet food eaten at the end of the meal. Okay, that's one. Okay, waiter. Okay, it's the one, it's a boy. If it's a girl, it's waitress. Okay, you understand, Kim? You understand, Messi?
Yes.
If
Yes.
it's a boy, it's waitress. If it's a girl, it is waitress, and the boy is waiter. They are the one who take orders when you will be in the restaurant. Okay, they will bring the food. Okay, next one. Make a booking. Also, book a table. So, contact a restaurant and reserve a table for meal. Okay. Look at this one. So, these are the different verbs. Okay, can you please read, Messi?
Give.
Yes. Give. Next, the verb about restaurant.
Drink.
Next is
Drink.
no. Drink and I
Serve.
said serve. Next is
Pay.
okay. Next is
Eat.
eat. And next is
Cook.
and
Hold.
okay. And
Light.
light. Okay, look at this one. Okay. Now look at this messy. Look at the food.
Mm,
Have
Turn.
you ever tried eating at the buffet? Have
Yes.
you ever tried? Okay, this is example of buffet. Okay, this is example of buffet. Have you ever tried eating at the buffet? Yes, teacher. I tried eating. Buffet. Okay. Do you feel good eating at the buffet?
Yes.
Okay. There are many foods in the buffet, right? One. Okay. Now, you have to tell me, okay, listen, huh? You have to tell me a restaurant. Example, um, Banh Mi Kitchen. Example only, huh? It is located in, oh, this is number one. Wait, huh? Number one, two, three, four, five. Okay. Please write your answer in the chat box. Okay. Example only. Okay. You find any restaurant in Vietnam, the one that is your favorite. Okay. And you trace like that. Okay. So go, Messi. Tell me if you're done. Okmon. da, 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 da. I go with my family.
Jordan.
Okay. Okay, number one, the name of the restaurant is Ok Moon. Okay, is it far from your place or near? Messi, is it far or near in your place? It's near? Okay,
Yeah, it's
near?
near.
Okay, so where is it? It is Ngoyon Doc Trong Street. Oh, near in your place. And how often do you go there? How often? Always or not always?
Uh,
Always.
Norway.
Oh, wow. Okay. You go with your family. Wow, with Messi, mom and dad. Okay, the four of you. And what food does it have? What food? Oh, snail? There is a snail, Messi? You can
Um,
find there is a snail?
is seasonal. See.
Oh, you can see a snail. Ah, you can see a snail. How about the food? What food did you eat in Ongkon? Ongkon? Okngon. What food did you eat in Okngon? What food?
Um,
What food? What food that you eat in Okngon? It is, okay, so did you eat something yummy? Hmm? Okay, so in my place, the nearest restaurant, Messi, is uh, nearest restaurant.
seasonal.
Ah, Sisnel. Okay.
See.
What is it? This one?
See.
Sisnel. Ah, Sisnel. Ah, Sisnel. In my place, the famous nearest restaurant menu. But we have Kenny Rogers. Okay. It is in the ICA mall. It is in the mall. And then we don't always go there. Only few times that we go there. Oh, who do you go open? Okay, of course, with my family. What food does it have? Okay, it's chicken because it's Kenny Rogers, it's chicken. Okay, let us talk about restaurant that you like. Okay, let us talk the restaurant that you like. Okay, now look at this messy and please try to answer the question. You can answer and write your answer in the chat box about Parker's Sweet Shop. Oh, Parker's Sweet Shop. Okay, go, Messi.
Yes. Right in the Jackbox.
Yeah. If you want, you write in the chat box. Look at this is where you go look at the answer. Okay. Da 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 da. Juice.
Yeah.
Ta 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 ta. Matay. Matusok si Kulit. Pawiat eh. Ano na? Ano ko? Matusok. Awat ako. Saan man ako? Sige, mga wag. Ay. Kulit. Nagkabangga. Ano? Nagkabangga. Right. Okay, done. Sorry, there's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. That's one. Oh, mm, 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 mm.
Jordan.
Okay, done. Very good, Messi. Okay, Okmon, where is it? Number 1. Okay, so we are talking here about Parker's Sweet Shop. Okay, what is the name of the shop? It is Parker's Sweet Shop. Okay, very good. Okay, is it expensive, Messi? Is Parker's Sweet Shop expensive?
Uh, no.
No, teacher, it's not expensive. The prices is lower than other. The prices is lower than other shop. Okay, the prices is lower than other shop. Okay, so when will it open? Okay, it is open on, where is the date? Correct. Correct. Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Very good. And is there a chocolate eggs? Chocolate eggs? Yes. Is it near town center? Okay, is it near town center? Okay. No, it is our famous. Okay, it is 5 minutes
Oh,
from town
yes, 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 yes.
center. It is, yes. 5 minutes only. Okay. So, do you like chocolate? Messi, if I will ask you.
Yes,
Oh, what
I
kind of
like chocolate
chocolate?
very much.
Toblerone. You like Toblerone? Hershey's. You like Hershey's? It's chocolate.
Um, I like Hershey and Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Oh,
I like Kit
like
Kat.
Kit Kat. Oh, Kit Kat. But I like, how about Toblerone? You like Toblerone?
Hmm.
It's color yellow. Have you seen Toblerone? It's like that. And it's cute. Like, do you like it? But teacher Ann wants the almond chocolate. I love it. It's almond chocolate, the almond chocolate. I love it. Yeah, I really love it. Now, I sorry. Okay. So, do not write, but answer only. You speak only, ha? Do not write. Okay. Is the what is this sandwich? What is the name of the sandwich? It is
Is
Gloria
glorious.
Sandwich Shop. Okay. How about the price? How much is it?
It 2.80.
Okay, 2.80. Okay. Is it open every day, Messi?
Uh, no, it closed on Monday.
Oh, it is closed. It is closed on Monday.
Closed.
Okay. How about the drinks? What are the drinks in the Glorious sandwich?
Uh, it has of orange juice and coffee.
Okay, orange juice and coffee. Very good. How about a car park? Where is the car park?
Uh, go about behind shop.
It is behind again. Where is the car park?
It
The
behind
car park.
shop.
It is behind the shop. Okay, it is
Hmm.
behind the shop, Messi. So the car park is behind the shop. And we are talking about Gloria's sandwich shop. Okay, I will ask you, do you like to eat sandwich?
A little.
Okay, what spread? Okay, is it chocolate, it is tuna, it is cheese. Oh, what? It is butter. What is the flavor of your sandwich that you like the most?
It's chocolate.
Oh, you know Nutella? Nutella.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this one. Is this your favorite?
Nutella.
Okay, Nutella. Do you like that? It's chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Nutella is actually it's kids' favorite chocolate, but sometimes it's so sweet because it's chocolate. Teacher Anne likes too, but I like tuna sandwich. Do you like tuna sandwich or no? Or you
Hmm?
like tuna and ham? You like ham sandwich? Ham and egg?
Um,
There is a ham and there is an egg in the sandwich. Do you like it?
uh,
Hmm? Uh, a little?
don't know.
You don't
Yes, a
know.
little.
Okay. In the sandwich, this is the sandwich. You're gonna put ham, you're gonna put egg, and another sandwich, and you're gonna eat.
Oh, I like.
That is. Okay, that's teacher and favorite. Okay. So, messy teacher and don't have enough time. So, I will see you, May. Okay. Are you free tomorrow? Because wait. Yeah. Today is, yeah, yesterday you were not with me. Oh, where did you go? Okay, how about tomorrow? Are you free in the afternoon?
I don't know.
In the morning, are you free? Or in the
I
night,
I
are you free?
I talked with my mother.
You talk to your mother, huh? You tell me because yesterday you were okay absent. Okay, I don't know. Maybe okay. So please tell me if you have time on Sunday. Okay, tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, or on Monday. Okay. Bye, Messi. Please tell your mother, okay?
Bye.